Every second breath you take comes from the ocean. Without corals, we wouldn't be able to breathe. However, coral ecosystems face serious threats, mainly from the effects of global climate change, destructive fishing methods, plastic pollution, and much more.
After visiting our restoration site that we planted only 1 year ago, I'm blown away. The corals have almost completely taken over and wildlife has moved back into the reef.
Living Seas' mission is to bring balance and restore 5 hectares of coral reef. The methodology that we use to restore coral is called the reef star. We take coral that is broken and lying on the sand and bring them over to our new site. We like to think of this as giving broken corals a new chance at life. Most NGOs face bottlenecks with financial and technological support. Thankfully today, Living Seas no longer has that issue. We are fully empowered to do our crucial work to restore ocean health, all thanks to Handprint's pioneering platform.
Living Seas uses Handprint software to report on their impact in a science-based way. This provides transparency and makes their life easier so they can focus more on delivering the impact.
Collaborating with Handprint has allowed us to reach many more donors. We use their system to upload all the impact that we're creating, to be transparent about the funding that we receive and how we put it into action.
Today we are planting 3,600 baby corals. It's our largest delivery to date. Thanks to Dentsu, ClassPass and Omno, companies that are regenerating the planet with Handprint.
Coral reef is what allows all this other ecosystem to survive. Help us save the ocean, one reef star at a time, with Living Seas and Handprint.